Hey friends, welcome back, or welcome if you are new to Cora Sue's Cozy Castle. Today's video is going to be a deep clean of my kitchen and keeping room area. This definitely needed some attention today as it was getting pretty bad from all of us being at home full time. I don't know about you, but during these times of uncertainty, I have definitely let the house go in certain areas. This area especially needed a good reset. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and I'm always praying for each and every one of you. Thank you to all of my subscribers, and if you are new, I would love for you to join me by clicking that red subscribe button and the notification bell. I hope this video motivates you to reset an area in your home that maybe you have been putting off like me.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
I feel like I'm washing dishes and running the dishwasher twice a day now because we are eating all 3 meals at home. Is anyone else out there with me?
In love, who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
I had to wash this storage container out because my sweet Jensen spilled some of his milk in here earlier, if you're wondering why I'm washing a storage container.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I was at the wrong place at the right time. suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Now that I have the kitchen all wiped down, I'm just going to fill my diffuser and diffuse some fresh orange. I love the way this makes the house smell.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me back.
This cooktop had gotten especially dirty from cooking all of our meals at home. About every month or so, I will remove all of the knobs for a good deep clean like I did today. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyers All Purpose Spray in the fresh cut grass scent. And then I'm following it with a nice shine using the Method Steel for Real cleaner. I love this stuff.
Let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a
And after I finish with the cooktop, I'm also going to use the Method Steel for Real to wipe down all of the rest of the appliances, including the trash can, because I love for it to have the nice shine as well.
love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again.
And this is the reality of life with an almost 2-year-old. But honestly, guys, I wouldn't have it any other way.
I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from
Here, I'm just putting all of the toys in the coffee table, and I absolutely love having this as a place for storage. This also doubles as a TV tray to eat, and I will make sure to link it down below if you guys are interested.
We were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free.
Okay guys, this about wraps up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and again, I hope you all are well, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving